How to view your Progressive Insurance ID card. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now at the very top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in Progressive Snapshot and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, progressive.com. Open it. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, now go ahead and click on the option of login. You'll be directed to the login page. Once you're in the login page, type in your credentials and then log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will see a section labeled Things to Do. Under Things to Do, find and click on the option that says Get Your ID Card. On the next page, you will see an electronic copy of your ID card. In the upper right corner, click on the Save button. A pop-up message will appear confirming that your ID card has been downloaded and it's ready to go. Open the downloaded file to view your Progress Auto Insurance ID card. That's how you get your Progressive Auto Insurance card online. Well, that's a wrap for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.